People, we're back. Y'all know what it is. Y'all seen this face before. Y'all definitely seen him before. Now, it was a little misconception. It's not Frank White. We respect Biggie Smalls and that whole conglomerate, that movement. This is Frank Aducci. You already know. Say it one more time so they can understand.
Frankie Fedaducci. Bigger than the Grucci's. If you don't know what the Grucci is, you ain't up on your business.
Oh, man. So what you got?
That dude is big. He's bigger than the Grucci's.
Okay.
Frank Fedaducci.
Woo!
Just to let you know, listen, I'm Frank Fedaducci. Bigger than the Grucci's. Play with your girl's coochie. Might leave it kind of Gucci-Uchi. What the hell, son? I do what I do. I ain't long when I chill with my crew. Cause we puffin' and puffin' and puffin'. Ain't nothing. You can say to me that I ain't seen. Fuck with me cause I lived the dream. And I can give you a blueprint on how to do this. Man, I just make movements. But yo, that's a little Fedaducci for you. We out in the fucking LI outskirts right now. In the shed, you know.
Okay, hold on. We gotta get footage of this shit right. Oh my fucking God. Y'all ain't gonna never see no shit like this. Look at this shit right here. Look at this fucking shit right here. Now, I mean, you might see a lot of DVDs, a lot of footage, but we out here in the motherfucking outskirts of motherfucking LI, and this is what it is right now. So you non-coherent motherfuckers talk about, oh, Elmo Boy and them, Flow Boy Manifesto, Baby Boy 77, they don't get out much. Is this out for you? Back to PVC Schedule Program. You got anything to say to fucking haters? It's like, yo, Fedaducci, he ain't really making no noise. He's just doing a lot of talking. No, I mean, what you gotta say to them?
I tell the haters, they can fall down like the snow while I leave with your hoe. I ain't 5-0, but yo, listen how I peep my word scheme. It ain't nothing like how these hoes be thirsty for the scene. Men, dog, you guys is all demons. Trying to take my green, dog. It ain't seeming like it's likely. Fuck with me. That's your wifey. She leaving with me, dog. I'm shiesty. Woo! That's just regular. Not like what's in my blunt. This is some cream, Listerine, shit to be clean.